The word for this video is kit. As a noun, kit means a circular wooden vessel made of hooped staves. As a noun, kit means a kind of basket made especially from straw of rushes, especially for holding fish. By extension, the contents of such a basket or similar container, used as a measure of weight. For example, 1961, the 18th of January, Guardian, cited after OED. As a noun, kit means a collection of items forming the equipment of a soldier, carried in a knapsack. As a noun, kit means any collection of items needed for a specific purpose, especially for use by a workman, or personal effects packed for traveling. For example, always carry a good first aid kit. As a noun, kit means a collection of parts sold for the buyer to assemble. For example, I built the entire car from a kit. As a noun, kit means the set of skills and abilities chosen for a playable character. As a noun, kit means the standard set of clothing, accessories and equipment worn by players. As a noun, kit means clothing. For example, get your kit off and come to bed. As a noun, kit means a full software distribution, as opposed to a patch or upgrade. As a noun, kit means a drum kit. As a verb, kit means to assemble or collect something into kits or sets or to give somebody a kit. See also kit out and other derived phrases. For example, we need to kit the parts for the assembly by Friday, so that manufacturing can build the tool. As a noun, kit means a kitten, young cat. As a noun, kit means a kit fox. As a noun, kit means a young skunk. As a noun, kit means a very small long-necked violin that came in a variety of shapes and configurations, meant to be carried in a pocket and intended for instructors, dancing masters, to carry to accompany their students. As a noun, kit means a school of pigeons, especially domesticated, trained pigeons. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more word videos.